Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unpacking two pairs of shoes from Cozy Island. Now this is the brand, emerging brand, footwear brand, footwear and handbag, and I was lucky to receive two pair of shoes. These are the shoes that I'm absolutely obsessed with. I tried them. I put them back in the box because I wanted to show you how it came in. And that's just like, I don't know, glove to my hand, but it's like a glove to my feet. My feet are complicated, okay? And these shoes are so comfortable. I was screaming with joy because we are starting to open it, because they are heel shoes. And there's something that is can be very, very tricky to wear heels and feel comfortable in. Now, it came like this. These are wonderful. I think it's like a leopard in this very cozy pouch. Is it leopard print? Unbelievable. They are so pretty. And the good thing about them, that you can wear it in summer and winter, because in winter with your jean, I'm gonna post later how I tried them, how I wore them. With your jeans or long trousers, it can actually cover the heel, or with your crop jeans or trousers, they're gonna look so elegant and yet very comfortable. They have a very comfortable arch for your foot. Gonna take this away. The design is amazing. The quality, look at this, how it looks inside. Fantastic. And they have this rubber sole, so you don't slip, like a ripped rubber sole, so you don't slip. Do you see? It's absolutely fantastic. And they are very, they're very sexy as well, if you please, especially in this pattern. But they have this very cozy, exactly like the name is, fabric that simply, it's almost like wearing slippers. Could you tell? Could you see the softness of the shoe? You know, that's really an experience for me, because I have a lot of shoes, and some of them literally you can only put them on, get in the car, and that's that. And get out of the car and sit maybe for dinner. In these ones, you can actually walk and feel comfortable. And by the end, I cannot say by the end of the day, because clearly I haven't been wearing them the whole day. But from what I understood, they don't really squeeze your toes. So meaning that even for wide foot, it's pretty comfortable. I have narrow foot, and yet it also was not wobbly or wriggly or whatever the word for it. It's just absolutely amazing fit. I don't know how they did it, but yeah, fantastic. You can control here you can control how wide or narrow you can put the strap. Now, these are very, very pretty. I think the name is Grace Life. Very, very pretty. And now let's open another one. This one I was especially very excited about, because I'll tell you why. Now it also comes with the foot care, like a cozy insole if you need one. You know, this rubber, kind of rubber, I don't know, the fabric kind of looks very soft. You can put it inside your shoe for more comfort if you need. Yep. So it's like if you have like a flat arch, so it's gonna be better for you. Here it is, very comfy. Now these ones were, they're just, and you know what? St. Valentine is coming, and you probably have plans, right? Get the shoes for your special day, because these are so pretty. Also the fabric is kind of soft and very comfortable. Why I like this black pumps so much? Because this strap, not only because of that, because this strap is actually removable. They also have this ribbed sole, because it's black. I don't know if you could see. Anyway, the same as in the beige ones, for your, so you don't slip. Now this one is removable. I can try to remove it, 1 second. And so you're gonna be left with just a classical pump that can go with everything. Not like with this one, it won't. But if you just don't want any embellishments, very easy. Did you see? It took me 1 second. And here it is. You have your classical black pump. Actually, this thing, so cool. It gives this punch, you know, of style. Loving it. Absolutely adoring it. These were so comfortable. I put it on, I was like, I just can walk in them. Actually, walk. I don't even need a car. If my restaurant or wherever place I want to go is not far, I can absolutely walk in them. Now, and yeah, I'm so grateful for Cosy Island to actually contacting me and introducing their product, because otherwise I probably wouldn't find out. Now, they are very cozy. This is like, the name fit to the comfort of the shoe like no other. Cosy Island, yeah, it's just the brand to investigate. I will be looking for more shoes. They have also boots and all styles. Now I chose this beautiful pumps, and you see they're different. Yeah, I wanted to have different style for different outfits, and a classical, you can never go wrong with the classical style. My discount code will be down below the video. Please don't hesitate, use it, especially in this month, St. Valentine's. There's a spring coming up. There is nothing better than to start the idea of the new outfits with the new pair of shoes. Now these are the shoes, and yeah, I'm so happy I could actually review them on my channel, and I always happy to introduce my viewers to something new, something worth having. And the price range is so, in my opinion, affordable for this kind of quality. Absolutely. Now check them out. These they have in 8 colors. Mind you, in 8 colors. Now I'm gonna post here a little bit the colors. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much, Cosy Island, for such a wonderful, wonderful present. And I will see you in my next video for more style suggestions. Bye bye.